Hey, so today we are going to be looking at how to connect our ZimaOS via our Wi-Fi. Um, when you go to network, or for you probably be saying this, you don't have any wireless connection. Whereas what you should be saying is something like this with your wireless. So to get this done, you just have to go to settings and look for developer mode, click on the view. Then you see SSH access, toggle it on, then connect via the web-based terminal. On the CLI, enter your login details and your password. That will take you into the command line interface where you can actually type in some code. So you have to enter this code. It's sudo nmtui. You might be prompted to enter your password again, so just put that in, and you'll be taken to the network manager interface where you go and select activate. Mind you, you still have to be connected to your wired network, that's your LAN, for you to have access to this, because without your LAN you will not really have a network per se right now. So you search for your Wi-Fi, the one you want to connect to. If it has a password, you enter the password which you set it up with and click OK, and exit out of there. So for me, so you quit, you go to select OK, and that's it. So when you go to IP space A, you get the opportunity to see your one network. According to the documentation on Zima space, it should be somewhere around where you have a WL LADIA. So search for that on the command line. It's usually on the upper part of the request when you type IP/A space A rather. So all you have to do is scroll up, or it should be somewhere here. So there it is. There's the IP. Now you can see the one I'm currently on ends with 15, but this one ends with 16. So we are going to go over to that IP address. That's where we can access our ZimaOS via the Wi-Fi connection. So this is my current one. So I'll just exit and go to the Wi-Fi connection. Enter my username and password once again. Here we go. I'm logged in. You can see the internet connection is there, but when I go to the LAN, I can see that the connection is now moving up and down, indicating that it's connected and telling me the speed. The LAN is connected, and so that's how to use your Wi-Fi rather than using your Ethernet to connect to your ZimaOS. It's pretty straightforward. See you next time.